Online only absolute auction. Most items have $1 starting bids only. No reserves, everything must go. Bidding ends at 6 p.m. tomorrow, Saturday, February 11th. Scan the QR code to browse the sale catalog. This online auction features quality household items such as outdoor patio furniture, lawn and gardening supplies, tools and hardware, bar stools, tables, and much more. Register to bid today to buy some quality items at super low prices. Local pickup only in St. Petersburg, Florida. Exact pickup address will be provided to winning bidders upon completion of the auction. Click the link in the description below to browse the entire sale catalog. Seller moving to Alaska forced to leave lots of stuff behind. Payment methods accepted: cash, debit/credit card only. No checks will be accepted. Buyer's premium is 15%. If you have any questions or if you need help registering to bid, please email us at sold@creative-auctions.com or call our office at 727-699-1642.